Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today is the day that we're going to be giving this kit away from the Fort Worth Fabric Studios. I have the fabric all laid out here on the table, down also on the table, just in case you can't read it, so that we all know the dates. It's going to start on Monday the 19th of December, and it's going to run through January 16th. What a better time than to take something from this year into next year and make it beautiful. And our long arm quilting information, I'm going to put that also down here if you don't have one. The quilt is called Frozen Memories. Here's all the different colors. There's the white on white, and hopefully I can get close enough that you can see it. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see it in this light. I'm going to move some of this fabric here. There's the one with the birds. Here's a white with the birds. Looks like a whole bunch of little berries. That's nice, Christmassy. Kind of makes me think of the ornaments that you put on the tree if you look at just one single little spot with the snowflake on it. And then here's the blue with snowflakes. Get a little closer. So that's the same thing as that blue that I just showed you. There's a blue. That's really pretty. Little pine cones on it right here. There's the next blue with the great big huge leaves, and then the light blue. All right, and then here is the information. I'm gonna show you right here, so you can slow your camera down if you would like. So, and you know, the patterns are up on the Fort Worth Fabric Studios website every Monday when we start the next block or blocks. Okay. So we're going to start on Monday the 19th of December. Then we'll do it the 26th. And in January, we'll do it the 2nd, the 9th, and we will assemble it on the 16th. And we'll have the complete quilt finished. You're going to be writing down there at the bottom of the comments that you want this kit, okay? And then I'm going to run this today. I'm going to take the names down, and I will announce the winner tomorrow, and it'll be sent on Monday the 19th to whoever has responded after I tell you that you're the winner, okay? See you then. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye, everybody.